Jol Angina House by 3 Points Consultant in COURTBAZAR, Bangladesh. Jol Angina is a single-family residence located at Courtbazaar, Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, which is famous for having the longest sea beach. At the heart of this project lies its most captivating feature, the water court, a manifestation of the profound wisdom shared by Loren Eisley, who once said, "If there is magic on the planet, it is contained in water." This central water court serves as the beating heart of the dwelling, an exquisite reflection of the nearby Bay of Bengal. Rather than merely positioning the water element in front of the building, as was initially desired by the client, our visionary approach led us to a plan where the very essence of the home revolves around this aquatic oasis. Hence, the project bears its distinct name, Jol Angina, homage to its essence as a water court, a hallmark that truly sets it apart. The water court emerges as a tranquil sanctuary akin to an open, serene courtyard, an ideal space for the family to unwind and savor. It seamlessly integrates with the surrounding natural landscape, bestowing upon the house an unparalleled sense of harmony. In daylight, prepare to be captivated by the interplay of light and shadow, a result of our meticulous north-south orientation that harnesses the full potential of natural light and ventilation. The home is embraced by lush green lawns and a plaza, exuding a warm and inviting ambience. Upon stepping inside, one is greeted by a carefully designed lower-level living room featuring double height on the north side, while the dining area, with its own double-height space, resides on the south side. This thoughtful arrangement fosters fluidity in the living spaces, allowing natural light to cascade in and enabling a constant flow of refreshing air. Picture windows adorn the residence, with some extending from floor to ceiling. These windows not only enhance energy efficiency but also bathe the rooms in an abundance of natural light. The grand volumes and expansive openings further accentuate the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Within 7 kilometers away, a hill area stands as a natural backdrop, and in response, our design incorporates a pitched roof, beautifully mirroring the contours of the hill. Jol Angina is not merely a house, it's an architectural ode to the beauty of its surroundings and a testament to the harmonious relationship between nature and design.